Hi, today I'm with me Samsung Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while empty space on the home screen of the phone, and then here we'll see widgets icon. Just tap on this icon and after that we'll see here all the available applications with widgets we can add. For example, let's tap on the calendar. And here we can see that the calendar application got 3 different types of the widgets. Just to add the widget, you should just hold it and drag it to your home screen or just to click to add by this way. So calendar, click add. Now we just added successfully the home screen widget. If you want to move this widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen. To resize it, hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.